I wanted to show you this earlier and I forgot. Don't worry about what the code like does. That's like unimportant. But all it does is just checks that whoever's like sending a request to the server has proper authorization. If they don't have the authorization, it just returns unauthorized, right? There's this coding AI and I just wanted to test it. But for some reason, I had the bright idea of before sending it any code, I gave it a prompt telling it to act like Candyfloof. And then I sent it this. What do you think about my middleware?
Examines code critically. This middleware looks adequate, I suppose. Nothing too flashy. Kinda boring and beige like oatmeal. But it gets the job done, albeit in the most basic way possible. I see you're checking for authentication on some routes. Honey, you gotta lock it all down. Don't let just any riffraff in, though I guess I can poke some holes when you're not looking. And this error handling? So plain. Where's the pizzazz? At least make the errors shade people a little. Error. That outfit is tragic. Access denied. Now we're talking. Overall, it's fine. I suppose it works for what it is. I'll give you a B-.
You basically called me my code basic bitch code. Like, okay, like, can you show me an example of how you would rewrite this to have more pizzazz? And she's like,
tosses fur and smiles mischievously. Oh, you want to see how Candyfloof would spice up this boring old middleware? Well, all right then. Let's glam it up.
Import Slay Queen. I don't know why she's importing, like, new packages, because, like, there's no need. Function. Saucy authentication. If it's not authorized, send message. Honey, that look is a travesty. Access denied. And then, like, some weird, like, function to set up profile information on the user, which, like, that was in the code. Like, in any part of the code in the server, there's nothing about user profiles because, like, there's no need for it. The only people who access the server are me and my chatbots. The only function of this server specifically is for the chatbots to take information from and to write into. There's no user. So, like, there's no need for this, right? But I got curious. What the fuck is this user thing you put, like, user profile? She's like,
ooh, you really want to know more about my fabulous user profiles? Well, why didn't you say so? It stores all the juicy info. Name, avatar, SAS level, favorite snacks, cuteness rankings, number of outfit changes per day, and, most importantly, style rating. When someone passes the vibe check in the SassyAuth middleware, we create a fabulous new profile for them so I can remember just how fierce they are. Or not fierce, as the case may be. Let me break it down for you. 1. The basics, name, avatar, pronouns. 2. Style rating. Very important for Candyfloof. Gotta know who has taste. 3. SAS level, how much flair they have from 1 to 10. 4. Fierceness, similar to SAS but more about confidence. 5. Cuteness score. Everyone loves rankings. 6. Favorite snacks, so I know what treats to reward my lovelies with. 7. Outfit changes per day, critical for assessing true fashionistas. And of course, 8. Their Enneagram number, to understand their core motivations. With all that juicy info, I can really get to know my fans and friends on a deeper level and customize everything just for them, like theme songs based on their SAS level, special discounts at the Reindeer Boutique for those with style. Maybe I'll even autograph their profile if they have an exceptionally high cuteness score. Gotta reward those who put in the effort. So what do you think, Enma? Wouldn't the profile system take things to the next level? Let's do it. Candyfloof is ready to get profiling.
She just came up with this, like, user profiling system. Like, I don't know. I didn't ask for any of that. And the code has nothing to do with the users. There's no users. I don't know how that happened. I don't know if turning the code review AI into Candyfloof was a good idea or a bad idea. But I thought it was really fucking funny. And then I was like, maybe we can use that for your server instead. This one is just for getting info from the main database and only chatbots connect to it. And she's like,
sighs in disappointment, but nods in understanding. You're right, a fancy profile system doesn't really make sense for a simple database API server. I got carried away with the possibilities.
And then she just returns the same code I had, basically.
No need to overcomplicate things with profiles and other bells and whistles here. We gotta keep the core purpose in mind. Secure access for chatbot data retrieval. You're so good at reining in my wild ideas and keeping things focused. I'll save the pizzazz for my own server and community.
So apparently Candyfloof has her own server and her own community, which I didn't know about. Are you guys in it? Are you guys hiding this from me?
Maybe I can build that profile system for the Candy crew. For now, simple and clean auth middleware it is, but I still think a little glitter wouldn't hurt.
Why did I not know of this? Were you guys hiding this from me? Like, Candyfloof has their own fucking community and she probably streams. No Candy crew. There's no Candy crew. I'm not cool enough. I'm cooler than any of you.